everyone, this is HunMoc and welcome for today's video. And for today I have chosen to build this one. This is from the Lego botanical theme and this is the 10368. It's the Chrysanthemum. I know, maybe not the correct name, but it's really hard name. But anyway, so you know what I'm gonna build today. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna unwrap it, I'm gonna have a speed build. And yeah, so I'm gonna add this one to my collection, because if you haven't seen those videos, please check them up. And yeah, and for those who are new, if you like anything around Lego, especially MOCs, please hit the subscribe button, because I know you're not gonna be disappointed. Anyway, so let's start to unwrap it and start to build this one up. Hello everyone. So then we are back, and this little guy is done. And I have to say, of my all four different flowers which I have built during the last couple of months, this was the really hardest and the most challenging. I mean, in the top of all these small pieces, it was a little bit of a nightmare. But anyway, it came out pretty awesome, and it's gonna be really good in my collection, just right back over there. Anyway, so what's gonna happen now? I'm gonna put this one, as I mentioned, on the shelf, and on Wednesday I'm gonna upload a new project for this week, and I think you're gonna like it. It's gonna be a Harry Potter theme. I know it's really popular, and my other videos went pretty good, so I thank you very much for those who have watched it. And yeah, so don't miss that out. So hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and I will see you all in Wednesday. And we're gonna start this week with a pretty awesome mock and a Lego project from me. Anyway, so I see you in a couple of days. Take care, everyone. Bye bye. So then